The Good Samaritan. A Jewish man was travelling and got hurt by robbers. They took his things and left him on the road. A priest came by, but he did not help. Then a Levite came by, but he did not help either. But a Samaritan, who was from a group that did not get along with the Jewish people, saw him and felt sorry for him. He took care of his wounds and put him on his own donkey. He took him to an inn and took care of him. The next day he gave the innkeeper some money and said, "Take care of him. If you spend more, I will pay you back when I come again." Jesus said we should love and help everyone, like the Good Samaritan did. Vocabulary. Let's learn 3 important words from the story. First word, robber. Robber is a person who steals things by force. For example, the robber took the man's money and ran away. Second word, wound. A wound is a cut or injury on the body. For example, he had a wound on his arm after he fell. Third word, donkey. A donkey is an animal like a small horse. People use it to carry things or ride on it. For example, the man rode on the donkey to the inn. Questions for understanding. Now let's answer some questions. Question 1. Who helped the man who was hurt? Question 2. What did the Good Samaritan do to help? Question 3. What lesson did Jesus want to teach us? You can pause the video and think about your answers. Jesus told this story to show us what real love looks like. Real love helps others, even people who are different from us. The Good Samaritan was kind, brave, and generous. These stories are not only for Christian believers. They are meaningful and helpful for everyone. They teach us about love, compassion, and doing what is right in simple English. Thank you for listening. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Come back next time for another story told by Jesus. See you soon. Bye.